Today on CJ Off-Road, I wanted to take a minute to talk about one of my personal favorite light bars for your Jeep Wrangler or other off-road vehicle. Now today, what we're going to be talking about is the Baja Designs 10-inch S8 driving combo light bar, and this is one of my personal favorites for a bunch of different reasons. The first one, as you can see, is it does feature a 3-wire connection that has amber lights built right into it. This makes a nice accent on the front of your off-road rig, and it'll tie in well with the marker lights or running lights that you have. Second reason is that this light bar is extremely bright. It features 4,000 lumens at a 5,000 K temperature. Now, why is the temperature color important? This basically gives you a more natural light when you're out on the trail. Some off-road racers actually prefer to race at night because the lighting illuminates more of the obstacles better than you can in the day, and that's what Baja Designs aims to do. Now, what the driving combo pattern does for you is it basically combines the best features of both a spot and a flood pattern. Now the center here is going to be your driving pattern, which is a spot. Then on the edge, you can see that they're a little bit more diffused, which is going to shoot out wider, help you illuminate around turns and other obstacles when you're off-road. This is completely waterproof and submersible up to 10 feet, which I think is pretty cool, being that this thing is going to be on the front end of your JL or JK Wrangler and is going to take a lot of abuse. It comes with a complete wiring harness as well as all the necessary beefy brackets to get it mounted up on the front there. It's completely serviceable, as well as Baja Designs lifetime warranty. If you have any issues, you ship it to them and they take care of you. Now this is a completely universal light that'll be able to bolt up on just about any off-road rig with the included wiring harness and brackets. These can be flipped onto either side to help you find the perfect lighting location and to help you see when you're driving at night. Now this Baja Designs light bar, as well as many other Baja Designs products, are available right here at cjphonyparts.com to help you light up the trail. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.